All right, Daddy Boy here. I'm just coming back out, check on the lawn, and I have to show the owner how to set the timer on the sprinkler system that I put in, temporary sprinkler system. So let me go ahead and show you guys the temporary system that I put in. All right, here are the nozzles here. I got one here. One here. It's also on a timer. All right, I saw the owner, she came out, so I showed her how to do it. So let me just show you guys here. I showed you the sprinkler system. Here's the timer on it right here. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this is the timer. You can hear it ticking. And she set it for 30 minutes. All you have to do is just turn this right here, and it'll automatically shut off in about 30 minutes. Picked it up from Home Depot or Lowe's for about $2. Let me show you the sprinkler system on. And it's watering now. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but all right, this is Daddy Boy signing off.